Hi beauties, I'm Jessica Malatesto with Urban Decay Cosmetics, and today I'm going to do a quick, easy holiday glam look. You can see that the right side of my face is already done, and we're gonna make the left match the right. So I'm gonna start with the classic cult followed eyeshadow primer potion. So the first thing I will do is just pop this on my lid, a little bit goes a long way, and blend. Next, I'm gonna go into the beautiful Stone Vibes eyeshadow palette. This is from our holiday collection, and I'll give you a peek at all of those gorgeous colors. You're gonna get mattes, and you're gonna get a bunch of shimmers too. So I'm gonna work with the mattes first to get a really nice base, a little bit of highlighting, and then we're gonna add that beautiful sparkle shimmer you can see here. Okay, now you can see I did some highlighter, I did a little bit of a peachy base shade, which really will brighten anybody's eye color. And now I'm gonna contour a little bit my crease. And just to give a little bit more depth and dimension, I'm gonna take the deepest shade in the palette, this one right here, third eye, and I'm gonna apply it right to the outer corner. Okay, and this is gonna get really easy. I'm gonna take Tiger's Eye, this gorgeous rose gold shade right here, on my ring finger, and I'm simply just gonna glide it on my eye. There you go, lots of sparkle and glow. And now I'm gonna line my eye. I'm not even gonna use black. I'm gonna take this gorgeous shade called Tiger's Eye from the holiday collection. And I'm just going to roughly line the top line and under my bottom lash line. So no perfect precision here. I'm just gonna smudge back and forth and get this on. Next, I wanna add some more sparkle, so I'm going to use the Midnight Cowboy Glitter Liner in a few different ways. So first, I'm gonna take the brush that it comes with and simply top the eyeliner that I just put on. 1, 2, 3. Really easy. And then I will take a little bit more and I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner for that beautiful, youthful sparkle. And then my favorite way to use this, I'm gonna show you a little trick. I'm gonna take the liner right on the back of my hand like this. And then I'm gonna take my ring finger and just pop this all over my eyelid. This is also great to do if you have a lot of matte eyeshadow at home. It's a way to turn it into a sparkle shadow really quick and easy. All right, let's get on some brows and mascara. Double Down Brow Putty little kit. And all I'm gonna do, I want this brow to match this brow. I'm gonna comb and brush it on. Okay, brows are on. Let's do some big lashes. I'm using the Subversion eyelash primer to soften my lashes and get them ready for my Perversion mascara. Now I'm gonna take the Perversion mascara. This is gonna give you longer, fuller, more voluminous looking lashes in the jet black formula. And I'm just gonna wiggle and pull through. You can simply just blink through the wand if that's easier. I think for this holiday look, a red would be really, really beautiful. You could do something like this, like the Bad Blood, but I'm gonna keep it neutral and glowy, a little bit of sparkle today. So I'm taking the Liar 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil, which is my personal favorite. And I'm gonna line my lip, line, prime, define, fill the entire lip in, and then we're gonna tap it with this gorgeous golden neutral gloss. right, we're almost done. Let's do one finishing touch. As you can see, this side of my face has some really beautiful highlighting and some blush, and I don't have any on the left side of my face, so it looks kind of flat. I'm gonna take the Naked Threesome palette in the shade Naked here, and I'm just gonna apply some bronzer and do a little bit of highlighter, and lastly, a little bit of blush. And there you have it. We can't ever finish a look with Urban Decay without the all-nighter setting spray if we want the makeup to last up to 16 hours. There you go. That is your holiday glam look using Urban Decay Cosmetics Holiday Collection. I hope you guys enjoy the look. I hope you have a great holiday season, and I hope you use this look for all of your Zoom or in-person holiday parties. I'll see you soon.